Hello YouTube. Thought I'd do a quick video here. I do like to say, thank you for the condolences. I've had a couple people ask, how they can send something. I will put a link on how you can use Zelle to send something if you choose to. I am fighting a cold now, so now I'm dealing with that. I don't know, almost like a COVID thing. It seems like, it just won't go away. Coughing and all kinds of stuff. So, any rate, we're trying to get back to, I don't know if I want to say the norm, but we're trying to get back to doing things like I did before all this happened. So there will be some more videos coming out here soon. I am building this node. I think that was the last video I kind of did. Got some ideas here. This is going to go on top of this. You're probably wondering, why am I doing that? Because if I can have the antenna, if I can mount this radio, and I got 3D print, they won't be brown. I'm just doing this for prototyping. But if I can mount this radio and have this antenna poke through the case, I don't need to buy all these SMA cables and all that other stuff. Plus, I got to have room to leave the C connector back. So I'm working on that slowly as I'm trying to get better with this flu. But at any rate, there'll be some more videos coming. And like I said, I do appreciate all the condolences. If you want to send something, I'll put a link down below. You can use Zelle. Hopefully we'll get back on track here. I get a little better next week, and we're going to do more of it. Maybe I'll put this together and you can see what I mean. And we're going to get back to working on this node, solar powered node. Again, thank you, and have yourself a good day.